Hi, in this video, you're going to see the installation of the newest member to our networking group, Mohamad Conteh. He is an HVAC specialist. So now no one else can actually join our group who is an HVAC specialist because he holds that seat. I also want to invite you to come to one of our meetings where perhaps you could fill a seat that no one has already taken. We've been in existence over 17 years. I've been in the chapter nearly 17 years. We pass millions of dollars of business. And so if you would like to lock out your competition and grow your business further, look at the QR code at the top. That's how you actually make an appointment. However, before you make the appointment, please reach out to me. Find out if the seat that you're looking to fill has already been filled. Because if it is, then you can come as a guest and not as a visitor. As a guest, you can't really say what you do, what your profession is. You're just there to observe. What I would then suggest, and I can help you with, is to find another chapter if your seat is not open in our chapter. We do meet in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn at 7 a.m. every first Wednesday of the month at the Bridgeview Diner. After that, our meetings are on Zoom.
I'm going to say a line, and Mohamad will say, I will, and we will say,
we will.
All right. Giver's gain. I will provide the quality of service at the prices that I have quoted.
I will.
We will. Building relationships. I will be truthful with the members and their referrals.
I will.
We will. Lifelong learning. I will build goodwill and trust among members and their referrals.
I will.
We will.
Traditions and innovation. I will take responsibility for following up on the referrals I receive.
I will.
We will. Positive attitude. I will display a positive and supportive attitude.
I will.
We will. Accountability. I will live up to the ethical standards of my profession.
I will.
We will.
You're in! I want to visit on the first Wednesday. It is a $25 fee to attend. And then if you come to a Zoom meeting, you don't have to pay. If you decide to join, it's not automatic just because you decide you want to join. You have to go through our membership committee. They do an interview and they will decide if you are a good fit for our chapter. We want to know that we're getting good people with the right credentials into our group so that when we're referring people out, we know that we can count and trust in those people. So again, don't forget, go to the QR code. All right. See you soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.